UnRuffledRx FeatherSoft. As you know, parrots originate from highly humid environments, and they are prone to suffer from dry skin and brittle dull feathers in a home environment. UnRuffledRx FeatherSoft supports skin health in parrots. Made from the seeds, flowers and stems of the Avena Sativa plant, oat straw is very beneficial for relieving dry skin. Oat straw is rich in silicon, a mineral that is active in building feathers, nails, beak and bones. Topical use of FeatherSoft softens skin and feathers, relieving itchiness and skin irritation. Oat straw is also rich in minerals such as iron, zinc, manganese and especially calcium. So, not only does FeatherSoft soothe dry, itchy skin, aid in beak and feather health, but it contains compounds that are both sedative and soothing to the brain and nervous system. To use, simply mix with pure water and spray on your bird, avoiding the facial area as much as possible. FeatherSoft may be rinsed off, as the healing properties take effect quickly. FeatherSoft may be used daily.